Welcome to Compare to Win. The best Rhinestone Kit is probably one of the most versatile and exciting crafting tools available today, allowing you to add a dazzling sparkle and personalized touch to virtually anything you can imagine, from clothing and accessories to home decor and even phone cases, transforming ordinary items into extraordinary works of art with just a few simple steps and a whole lot of shimmer. Number 5. B7000 Adhesive Rhinestones Glue Kit. Discover the upgraded B7000 Glue Kit, your all-in-one solution for all your crafting needs. It includes everything you need to bring your creative visions to life. Experience unparalleled precision with its anti-clogging cap and ultra-fine tip. Apply glue exactly where you need it, for intricate designs and delicate applications. This professional-grade adhesive offers high-strength viscosity for a firm, reliable bond. It dries clear, remains non-yellowing, and is waterproof for durable results. Achieve a strong hold in just 3 minutes at room temperature, with full curing in 24 to 48 hours. It's designed for a permanent, lasting bond on a variety of materials. From cell phones and jewelry to nail art and fabric crafts, its versatility is unmatched. It adheres beautifully to a wide range of surfaces, making it perfect for any DIY project. This kit comes with helpful tools like a wax pencil, tweezers, and dotting pens. These accessories make handling small embellishments and applying glue easier than ever. What we like? This kit offers a generous amount of glue and multiple application tools. If you're working on larger projects or need a reliable, clog-free experience, this is the choice for you. What people say. The rhinestones are very sparkly and come in a good variety of sizes. The glue included is strong and holds the rhinestones securely in place. The kit is easy to use, even for beginners, and the results look professional. Number 4. MODELONES Builder Nail Gel Kit. Achieve salon-quality nails at home with our Builder Gel Kit. It's perfect for thickening, apex building, and securing nail tips. This clear builder gel provides a flawless finish, enhancing the natural look of your nails. It's designed for a smooth, durable application. Build strong, beautiful extensions that last. This gel is ideal for creating stunning nail art and ensuring your enhancements stay put. Enjoy the convenience of DIY nail enhancements. Our kit is user-friendly, making it easy for anyone to create professional-looking nails. Get perfectly cured nails in minutes. Simply use your UV or LED lamp for a quick and efficient setting process. Secure your rhinestones and nail tips with confidence. This versatile gel acts as a powerful adhesive for all your nail art needs. What like? This product is designed for nail enhancements, specifically for building apexes and extensions. If you're a nail technician or a DIY enthusiast looking to create strong, beautiful nail structures, this builder gel is ideal. What people say. This kit is a great starter for anyone wanting to try out rhinestone application. The glue included is strong and holds the rhinestones securely, even on fabric. The variety of rhinestone sizes and colors in the kit allows for creative designs. Number 3. B7000 Craft Adhesive Glue Kit. Discover the ultimate crafting companion with our upgraded B7000 Glue Kit. It includes everything you need for precise and mess-free application. This clear, flexible adhesive is perfect for a wide range of projects. From rhinestones and fabric to shoes and jewelry, it adheres beautifully. Our kit comes with helpful tools like spreaders for even application and dotting pens for intricate designs. Say goodbye to messy hands and hello to perfection. Enjoy a clog-free experience with our precision tip applicator. It allows for controlled application of small glue drops, ensuring a clean finish every time. This professional-grade glue offers high-strength viscosity for a firm hold. It's transparent, waterproof, and won't yellow over time, providing a durable bond. Get your projects done faster with our quick-drying formula. It dries in just 3 minutes at room temperature and cures completely within 24 to 48 hours. This multi-purpose adhesive works on virtually any surface. It's ideal for electronics, crafts, textiles, leather, and so much more. What we like? This option provides a substantial amount of glue along with helpful spreaders for even application. If you appreciate mess-free crafting and need precise control over adhesive placement, this kit is a great pick. What people say. The rhinestones are very sparkly and catch the light beautifully. The glue included in the kit is strong and holds the rhinestones securely in place. This kit is perfect for adding a touch of glamour to crafts, clothing, and accessories. Number 2. 20100 PCS Silver Clear Resin Rhinestones Kit. Get ready to add some serious sparkle to your life. This kit comes with 20,100 dazzling rhinestones in 5 different sizes, perfect for all your crafting needs. We've included everything you need to get started, including a powerful B7000 glue with a precision tip and a handy wax pencil for easy application. From clothing and shoes to nail art and phone cases, these versatile gems can be used on almost any surface. Let your creativity shine. No hot fix needed. These flat-back rhinestones are incredibly easy to use. Simply apply the glue and use the included pencil to place them exactly where you want them. Keep your rhinestones organized with the included compartment boxes. No more messy crafting sessions. Whether you're decorating a t-shirt, customizing sneakers, or adding flair to greeting cards, this kit will help you create stunning, personalized projects. What we like? This is a massive value pack, offering a huge quantity of rhinestones in various sizes along with the necessary glue. If you want to bedazzle everything in sight or are planning a large-scale decorating project, this bulk kit is perfect. What people say. The rhinestones are very shiny and sparkly, and they come in a good variety of sizes and colors. The glue is strong and dries clear, and it holds the rhinestones in place very well. This kit is great for adding some sparkle to crafts, clothing, and accessories. Number 1. B7000 Rhinestone Applicator Glue Kit. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for your crafting projects. It comes with 4 15 ml bottles of clear adhesive glue, tweezers, and a wax pencil for precise rhinestone placement. You'll also find 5 dotting pens and other small tools, offering you more options for detailed work. These are perfect for practicing, nail art, or even minor phone repairs. Our clear super glue is designed with a precision tip for controlled application. The integrated pin in the cap ensures it never dries out, always ready for your next creation. It dries completely within 24 to 48 hours, offering a strong bond with less than 6 minutes of working time. This adhesive is suitable for a wide range of materials, from electronics to textiles. The solid content and strong adhesion allow it to bond to more surfaces than other glues. Simply apply evenly, apply pressure, and allow 24 hours for a full cure. Remember to keep surfaces clean and store away from children. We are here to help if your kit arrives damaged or with missing parts. Please contact us, and we promise to resolve any issues within 24 hours. What we like? This kit is perfect for smaller, intricate projects or repairs. If you need precise application for detailed work like jewelry or phone repairs, these smaller tubes with precision tips offer excellent control. What people say. The rhinestones are very sparkly and come in a good variety of sizes. The glue included in the kit is strong and holds the rhinestones securely. This kit is perfect for adding some bling to crafts and clothing. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.